This is a queen of information, psychic researcher, investigative journalist, reporting about the hierarchy of the creation. Will Smith be as John Hancock, the founding father in a parallel life, as president of us, U.S. Robin Birdsong, who be as Galileo in a parallel life, is First Lady of us, U.S. Govinda Singh Dillon be as Jesus Christ, the Buddha, St. Nicholas Santa Claus, and St. Valentine is currently and for eternity king of the creation. T. Michelle Birdsong, B.S. Eve, mother of all living, Einstein, is currently and for eternity queen of the universe, of creation. She is Angel Michelle, sister of the king, Angel Gabriel. Melanie L. Spear, via St. Patrick, and Goddess Isis in parallel lives, is currently Goddess of us, U.S., for eternity. The demon rats party has plotted to steal votes, to steal the election for 4 years. The stupid, weak Republican Party let them get away with it. Creepy, senile, corrupt old white man Biden and his family of corrupt individuals and the corrupt in his party are all under arrest. Thank you for listening to this report.